Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to close your Citibank credit card. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, so let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Citibank website right here at citi.com if you've not already, and after opening it up you'll be greeted by the main page. If you're on your mobile phone, just go ahead and download the Citibank application and open it up so that you'll be able to access it. It's going to bring you to the same homepage from where we can get started. The first thing we need to do is log in. So what you want to do is log into your account where your Citi credit card is. So if you don't already have an activated account, what you can do is activate an account if you're already part of the bank. So go ahead and log into your account once you have gotten into it, and after logging in you'll be greeted by the home page. This is going to be your dashboard where you can take a look at your balance, you can take a look at your due payments and so on, and now you can get started with closing our Citi credit card. So how can we do so? As you can see in this article right here, we can take a look at the steps that we need to do to close our Citi credit card. We can do so online. So to close your Citi credit card account online, all you have to do is log into your Citi account and open up the online chat feature. So you're going to have the chat feature right here available once you have logged into the website itself. From there, you can tell the representative that you want to close your account and answer any questions they have. This is going to enable you to go ahead and close your account during the steps that they tell you they need to do. You're going to fill out a couple of forms and provide the info, and after that your credit card is going to be closed. You can also do it over the phone by calling their number that you can use for contacting them. As you can see, here is their general support number that you can call for regular support. Tell them you want to close your credit card, you do not want to use it anymore, and they're going to be helping you out. So basically that's how you can get started. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.